Living things reproduce in two ways, sexually and asexually. Sexual reproduction requires a male and a female to produce offspring, while asexual reproduction only requires one parent. In this article, we will explore the differences between sexual and asexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, a male and a female come together to produce offspring. The male produces sperm, while the female produces eggs. When the sperm fertilizes the egg, a new organism is formed. This method of reproduction leads to genetic variation, which means that the offspring are not identical to their parents. In asexual reproduction, only one parent is needed to produce offspring. The parent creates an exact copy of itself, which means that the offspring are identical to the parent. This method of reproduction does not lead to genetic variation. There are different ways that organisms can reproduce asexually. Some organisms, such as bacteria, can reproduce by dividing themselves in half. Other organisms, such as plants, can reproduce by growing new plants from their roots or stems. Both sexual and asexual reproduction have their advantages and disadvantages. Sexual reproduction allows for genetic variation, which can help organisms adapt to changing environments. Asexual reproduction allows for fast and efficient reproduction, but it can also lead to a lack of genetic diversity.